Former President Donald Trump is facing serious legal challenges. He is accused of mishandling classified documents after leaving office. Special Counsel Jack Smith is leading the investigation. The case was initially dismissed by Judge Canon. She ruled that Smith's appointment was unconstitutional. However, Smith has filed an appeal to revive the case. Smith argues that Judge Canon's decision was flawed. He believes it went against the usual practices of the Department of Justice. The appeal is a significant development in the case. It highlights the ongoing legal battle surrounding Trump's actions. The outcome of this appeal is uncertain. It could have major implications for the future of the case. If successful, it could lead to a trial for Trump. This would be a historic event. A former president has never been tried on criminal charges. The appeal process is likely to be lengthy. It will involve complex legal arguments. The nation will be watching closely as the case unfolds. This case is about more than just documents. It's about accountability and the rule of law. Judge Canon's decision to dismiss the documents case was met with controversy. Legal experts questioned her reasoning and impartiality. They argued that her ruling lacked legal basis. Critics pointed to her history as a Trump appointee. They suggested she might be biased in his favor. Canon's decision hinged on her view of the special counsel's appointment. She deemed it unconstitutional. This argument has been widely disputed by legal scholars. They argue that the appointment followed established legal procedures. Despite the controversy, Canon's ruling had immediate impact. It effectively halted the prosecution of Trump. This led to accusations of a two-tiered justice system. Critics argued that Trump was receiving preferential treatment. The appeal of Canon's decision is seen as a crucial test. It will determine whether the case against Trump can proceed. The outcome could have lasting implications for the judiciary and the power of the special counsel. Former President Trump is facing multiple felony charges. These charges relate to his handling of classified documents. He is accused of keeping them at his Mar-a-Lago residence after leaving office. Prosecutors allege that he obstructed government efforts to retrieve them. Trump has denied all wrongdoing. He claims the investigation is politically motivated. His defense team is expected to argue that he had the authority to declassify the documents. They may also challenge the validity of the evidence against him. Trump's legal strategy will likely focus on discrediting the prosecution. He has repeatedly attacked the Justice Department. He accuses them of being biased against him. This strategy has resonated with his supporters. They view the charges as part of a witch hunt. The trial, if it proceeds, will be a significant test of the justice system. It will also be a major media event. The outcome could have a profound impact on Trump's legacy and political future. Section 4. The uncertain path of the appeal. The special counsel's appeal faces an uncertain path. The appeals court could uphold Judge Canon's ruling. This would be a major setback for the prosecution. It would likely delay the case indefinitely. Alternatively, the court could overturn Canon's decision. This would pave the way for the case to proceed to trial. However, even if this happens, Trump's legal team is expected to file further appeals. The timeline for the appeal process is unclear. It could take months or even years to resolve. This uncertainty looms over the upcoming presidential election. Trump is currently the frontrunner for the Republican nomination. The possibility of a trial taking place before the election is slim. This raises questions about the impact of the case on the race. Will it energize Trump's base, or will it hurt his chances of re-election? Section 5. Election 2024. A case in the balance. The documents case adds another layer of complexity to the 2024 presidential election. Trump's legal troubles are already a major campaign issue. His supporters view the charges as politically motivated. His opponents see them as evidence of his unfitness for office. The timing of the appeal could have a significant impact on the race. If the case is still ongoing during the election, it is likely to dominate the news cycle. This could overshadow other important issues. It could also further polarize the electorate. The outcome of the case could also have major consequences for the presidency. If Trump is convicted, it would raise serious questions about his ability to serve if re-elected. It could also lead to calls for his impeachment. The documents case is a stark reminder of the challenges facing American democracy. It highlights the potential for the justice system to become entangled with politics. It also underscores the deep divisions within American society. Section 6. A Nation Divided, the Wider Implications. The documents case against Donald Trump has exposed deep divisions within American society. It has fueled partisan tensions and eroded trust in institutions. The case has also raised fundamental questions about the rule of law and the peaceful transfer of power. The outcome of the case, regardless of the verdict, is likely to have lasting consequences. It could set a precedent for how future presidents are investigated and prosecuted. It could also further undermine faith in the justice system. The case is a stark reminder of the fragility of American democracy. It highlights the importance of upholding democratic norms and institutions. It also underscores the need for civility and respect for the rule of law. The documents case is a defining moment in American history. It is a test of the nation's commitment to the rule of law and the peaceful transfer of power. The outcome will have profound implications for the future of American democracy.